Let's see how to insert checkboxes in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now to insert a checkbox, the first thing you have to do is to enable developer options. And by default, Microsoft Word has it disabled. So what we can do to enable that function is head on over to the File tab. Now click on Options. From here, click on Customize ribbon. Now scroll down until you see this developer box. Now go ahead and check that. Click OK. Now you'll see that the developer tab is now available. Now head on over to the developer tab and you'll have the option to place a checkbox by clicking this icon right here. And as you can see, there's now a checkbox in our document. You can also check that checkbox. It is also interactive and you can fill the space beside it. And that is how you make and insert a checkbox in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped and I will see you soon.